We're doing it on Omega. Episode 440, part 1. SWORDSOUL versus Heroes. I win both. Okay. Pot of Prosperity. I'm just gonna let it play. I'm tired as hell. This is my last duel. That was a mistake from him. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. OTK. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Deck. Does he have a deck? Yes, he does. 440. We were at 1282. 1300. 440. There it is. Let the net decking begin. Uncompleted side deck. Incompleted. Dark hole. Looks like this guy's coming from Duel Links. Maybe he forgot to save it or something, I don't know. Still at 264, still at 264. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.